Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is October 4th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into it. So for S&P 500, one of my main levels of resistance right now is going to be 43.39.50. That's where we're kind of struggling. So want to see if we get back to that area and if we break through it or we hold it as resistance again. Some main levels down below, 43.23.75 and 43.15 even are my main areas of support. Below 15, 43.07.50 is also my next level of support. Above my 39.50, I'm going to have another main level of resistance, 43.53.25. So we'll see what happens there. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll go over some of the minor levels for you guys, okay?
I will do that. Let's share the screen here so we can get the visual.
Sure.
Yeah. By the way, buddy, you only have one screen up, one chart of S&P, just so you know.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, let's have a look at yesterday and Friday. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here's a previous high. And what is a previous high supposed to do when it's bullish? It's supposed to use it as support. Boom, 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 for the price to go up, and it didn't do it. It used it as resistance, came right down to some support area right here. And now we can look for our micro peaks. Start with our support. Here's one, look, beautiful, used it as the bounce. Here's two, it's trying to use number two. Looks like it's getting weak, but it's not too late. It still could come right down to it to the tick and shoot past this area. Now, why did the market go here? 41.50, peak, neck of the double top, resistance, obviously. So if we're going to continue to move bullish, we're going to have to keep using these micro peaks right here to challenge these areas for the rocket ship ride up. But it looks like it's struggling so far. I'd like to see this area here, 32-ish, to use as a bounce to go to 41 and hopefully through it all the way up to the top there. But we'll see. This might be bearish and could come right down to David's bottom support areas. We'll have to wait and see. It's too early to tell, but it already used this one here. Now we're waiting to see if it's going to use this one with purpose to move on up. So these are the little micro peaks we're playing with right now, Dave. And I'm going to pass it to you for oil and gold.
All right. Good job. All right. So moving over into gold for you guys. Let's take a look. So for gold, we got to support 1750.8. Below that, 1748.9. Those are areas of support. If we do get a bounce, look for the market to try to head back up to 1755.9. And then above that, 1758.8 are the levels of resistance. Below 48.9, next level down below 45.5 as support. So we'll see what happens. But for those who want to try to continue the trend trade, look for the short side down into the supports. Let's move over into crude oil for you guys. Crude oil hitting a, I wouldn't say it's a level of resistance, but it's kind of the area where we got struggle right now. 77.23. Struggled a couple times. Want to see if we pull back into 76.89 or even below that. We're going to look out for these areas somewhere around 76.27 is going to be my next area. We could probably move this down just a little bit, coming right over here. 76.12, 75.99. We'll see what happens there. The supports down below. But with that said, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.